video I will show you how to unblock a user or someone on REDnote. So it's very easy, just watch and follow this video till the end. First, you just have to open your REDnote, and right now just open your profile here, and in your profile open the settings. In the settings you will find here this page. Here on this list, guys, click on privacy settings and go directly, scroll this list. You will find here blocked users. You will find a list of blocked users. You want to, for example, unblock this one. Click here, click on here profile, and it will take you to his profile. Click on block, and that's all, guys. Don't forget to like and also subscribe in this channel, and bye.